Hey folks, Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, we're going to answer the question, can I replace an annuity to lower fees? The answer is you need a better excuse to make the replacement. Let me elaborate. All right, so let's just say you have your current annuity and you're looking at replacing it for a new annuity, right? The new annuity company is going to have what's called a suitability team, and their job is to make sure that you are going to be in a better situation than you were from the previous annuity. Okay. So that means, hey, I'm in a variable annuity. I'm trying to get out of the market and be in a fixed index annuity. So I have principal protection. Or, hey, my current annuity is going to pay less income if I don't replace it with this new annuity that pays a higher income. I'm getting little to no returns because there's garbage upside potential. This new annuity will give better upside potential. Or I bought this annuity in a lower interest rate environment and we're in a higher interest rate environment, right? They're looking at the outcomes, right? They're making the insurance companies always want to make sure that the consumer is in a suitable position to be buying that annuity. And even they're more stringent on replacements of annuities, which is totally doable now. The reasoning of lowering fees, like, hey, I'm paying 3 to 4% fees because I have a variable annuity and I can move it over to this fixed index annuity and have a 1% fee. So I've cut down by a third or more. That's not a good enough excuse to make the replacement. Now, because you're in a variable annuity and you're exposed to loss in a fixed index annuity, well, that argument there is like, okay, well, I'm at risk of losing money to a position of not at risk of losing money. That might be a better reasoning. Or this annuity doesn't have a lifetime income rider. This new annuity has a lifetime income rider. Or this annuity has a lifetime income rider and I don't want a lifetime income rider, right? Okay, so those are the type of things that the suitability companies will look at to make sure that it's a suitable replacement for you. And then you want to go look at surrender charges too. So there's a couple of things. When you replace an annuity, the insurance company wants to make sure you have been in your current annuity for a minimum of 3 years. They want you to make sure that in this new annuity you're taking, and this varies by company, no more than a 2% loss. Okay, so your account value is at $100,000. You move it over to this new annuity. They want to make sure that out the gate, your account value is no less than $98,000, right? You can use a bonus to offset surrender charges. Yeah, I think that's the big thing is fees in itself is not a good enough reason to replace an annuity, right? So I hope that answered your question. If you have a specific question about this, give us a call, 770-755-1565, or visit us at the Annuity Expert, and we can help you that way. Or leave a comment, and we'll answer any questions that you have below. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. See ya.